Ah, there you are. Hello and welcome. I'm the Awful Chef. And what a surprise. I got hungry tonight, so I better make some dinner. That never happens around here, no. So, tonight we're making something so simple I'm not even going to bother to cook it for you. You're not going to believe me anyway. I hope you'll think about trying this recipe because it's very good and we love it. But it's just so simple it's gross. So, what do we got? Well, you can call it a variation on pesto pasta. You can call it a variation on mac and cheese. You can call it 1,000 things. But whatever you choose to call it, it starts with one of those 4-ounce pillow packets of goat cheese. Chevre. A little olive oil, a little salt, a little bit of red pepper flakes. Hey, it actually shows up. Okay, so, cheese. Spicy cheese. You know, instead of pine nuts, let's do walnuts. They've been toasted or heated up, basically, to get their oils flowing, and then chopped, roughly. And some arugula, which looks terrible, but it's really fine. You'll notice I have rinsed it and it's in a drainer. Rinse everything, even pre-washed. And a nice couple of big green onions cut to bits. So, instead of basil, you have arugula. Instead of pine nuts, you have walnuts. And instead of Parmesan, you have goat cheese. Pesto? Yeah, kinda. So I'm going to cook up some Gemelli, which is a good chewy little pasta dish. And I'm going to mix all of that stuff in it. Yeah, and that's dinner. I know, that can't be dinner. Now that's what I'm eating for dinner tonight, whether it's dinner or not. So yeah, food is simple, or at least it can be. You can go crazy and make it as hard as you want, or it can be this ridiculously simple. I encourage you to try these recipes. If nothing else, they're exceptionally healthy. So that's it. It's social media. Please do that social media thing. Subscribe, like, share. Yeah. I am the Awful Chef, and yeah. I'm going to really like tonight's stupid simple dinner. Cheese, pasta, arugula, and walnuts. Thank you. Bye.